These berries are so easy to make. Let me show you guys how I made them. The first berry is Mario's little overalls, and it's so cute and so easy to make. I literally just dipped the berry in red chocolate, and then I dipped half of it in blue, and I'm just going to go ahead and do the little straps with the yellow button. And y'all, this berry is simple but so cute. Also, if you guys know why my chocolate looks all streaky like that, please let me know, because I'm like, what the heck is that? For this next berry, we're going to be doing a little bit of a baby blue base. And I did end up using the chocolate chameleon, you guys. If you guys have not used that food coloring brand, please get on it because I love it. So we're going to be making the little plant in the game. You guys already know what plant I'm talking about. I don't know the exact name of it, but y'all know what I'm talking about, okay? So for this one, we're going to be drawing like a half circle with a little V in the middle. And that's basically going to be its mouth. So we're going to go ahead and outline that with white chocolate. And then we're going to go ahead and do the little like polka dots on it. And it's already looking like the freaking plant itself, okay? Don't forget to do the teeth, because y'all already know this plant always trying to eat something, okay? And to finish it off, we're just going to be drawing the little vine and the little leaves. And we're done, you guys. Tell me these berries did not come out super cute. All right, bye! Y'all thought I was not gonna show you guys how I made the It's Me Mario berry, huh? Did y'all hear that? Anyways, the Mario berry is so cute. This was my first time ever making a little Mario berry, so let me show you guys how I made it. So literally 99% of the time that I'm using a skin tone berry, it's most likely going to be a cookie butter based berry. So this is cookie butter based, you guys, and it is so freaking bomb. For his little hat, I did like a half circle at the top, and right in the middle, we went ahead and drew a white circle because that's where his little logo is gonna be at. This is where it was like, trust the process for me because it was looking a little funky. So I went ahead and drew the little eyes or whatever, and then you guys already know Mario's eyes are blue, so we went ahead and drew that in. The little eyebrows. But you guys, did you guys notice that I've been fixing this up with my toothpick? Toothpicks are your bestest friends when it comes down to custom berries, so make sure you guys always got a toothpick in hand. But the way Mario looking right now, he looks so fucking goofy. Oh my god, let me draw that big ass Nutty Sultan right now. Don't forget to draw the little M, and look how cute he is. I love him. I completely forgot that I had this mold from the Yummy Life Bake Shop, and tell me this is not perfect for my freaking little Mario order or whatever the heck. I love it. I feel like it tied it all together, and let me know what you guys think. Bye.